with Trevante Stewart. I mean, scoring 2 good goals today, also assisted on one. How do you summarize the game today, Trevante?
The game was a very good game. Although in the first 10 minutes I missed 2 chances because for me my mind never really fully fully
In the game?
in the game yet.
Yeah.
But still past that and say next time I get I'm gonna put in a net.
A very good header. I mean, what was going through your mind when that square was coming across from Ricardo Morris?
For instance, when the square was coming across me I said I really need this ball to come to me. I really need a goal in this game.
All right, and what is your target for the end of the season? I mean, you came down here and you have been scoring goals and assisting, working really hard. What is your goal scoring target?
So my target for this season is score enough goal for my team, keep on winning, and see how much goal I can get out of this season.
Yeah, and how far you think you and this team can go this season?
Straight with the trophy.
All right, Trevante, all the best. I hope the head coach is looking and maybe somewhere down the road there'll be a call up in the national team for you because you're a hard worker, and I mean every week you come in, you put in the hard work. Yeah, man. So thank you.
My friend, thank you to all the best to you.